How is a society expected to ameliorate the damage done by specifically racist laws, which we have had lo these, many years? Is the idea now that to try and address that is in itself racist? That it's literally he who smelt it dealt it racism? Is that what we're dealing with?
I hate that that's what it is, but that is what it is. It's literally,
right.
If you try, so basically what they said, you could prove that a district had this discriminatory effect. But if you try to repair it, if you try to remedy it by creating a district that creates an opportunity for black voters to be able to elect their representative of choice, that makes you the racist.
But isn't the high concentration of voters of color in itself the result of policies that were explicitly racist?
Well, the only way you can actually make majority black voting districts is because of segregation.
That's my point.
Do you have another show for that? Because that's a whole nother thing.
In the density of the areas they live in,
Yes.
if not for the exclusively racist
Absolutely.
housing policies and other things.
Absolutely. So it's not like, black people are all coming together and saying, let's come together and form a district. We are the most segregated, country that we have ever been. And that's the reason why you can create those districts. But now what the court is allowing is any state can decide they're going to redistrict, and not just a state. It could be judicial districts, it could be county commissions, it could be city council districts, and they can offer any excuse. This court even explicitly said incumbent protection. So if you want to make sure that, let's say, Mike Johnson in Shreveport, the current Speaker of the House, keeps his district, that's a good enough reason to undermine the ability of black voters. You can be partisan. You can care about incumbents. You can care about.
So what if they just said you can't do that because it's a red state? So a red state is allowed to go in and go, it's okay for me to dissolve Democratic power, just not black power.
That's right.
And if black power is synonymous with Democratic power, so be it.
That's pretty much the majority opinion.